what will happen in a drag race between every special edition version of the BMW M4. I gathered together the CS, the GTS and DTM versions of the old F82 M4 and CS and CSL versions of the new G82 M4, and we're going to race them over the standing quarter mile, starting with these F82s. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The F82 BMW M4 CS has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six that puts out 460 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. It sends power to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,580 kilograms, and when new, it cost £89,000. Today, it's worth about £40,000. The F82 GTS has the same basic 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six engine, but it puts out 500 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. Just like the CS, it sends power to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 1,510 kilograms, and when new, it cost £120,000. Now though, this one is worth about £80,000. The F82 DTM that I'm driving has the same engine as the GTS, so it also produces 500 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. It also has the same 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and is rear-wheel drive and weighs 1,510 kilos. When it was new, it cost £130,000, but now it's also worth about £80,000, like the standard GTS. Now the first thing we're going to do is the customary Carwow sound check, so I'm going to lower my window a bit. Max and Chris, who are the owners of the cars, driving their own cars. We're going to rev up the engines. Just gets better and better. Good luck, Max. Don't think your car will sound better than that.
Easy job.
Wait a minute, have you got an exhaust on that?
Correct, yes.
I was so wrong, wasn't I? Yours sounds better.
Come on, Chris, let's have a listen to yours.
Sounds like this. Let's do them all together in one big straight six symphony. Let's do it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Max, you've actually got your car listed on Carwow right now, haven't you?
Yes, I actually have. Correct, Matt.
So, Max, what was your reserve price?
I set it at 37,000.
And what's the highest bid right now, because it's just gone on?
36,500, and I'm yet to accept or decline because I'm thinking about it. It's a very good offer.
So you got within 500 of your reserve, and you've got the option of listing it again and trying again, or just going, do you know what, 500 quid shy, let's just take it. Is that what you're thinking?
That's what I'm thinking, yes.
We'll see. Will he sell it? I don't know. We'll find out. Now, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow. It's dead easy. Just upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on your car. Now, shall we do some drag racing? Before getting dropped. Oh, here we go. Bye-bye, Max.
A little bit of talk there from Matt.
Chris smashed it. He's buggering off into the distance. Hey, Chris, where you going, mate? He was victorious. He just wanted to do the whole length of the runway just to make a point.
He did jump it massively, though.
Did he jump?
I think so.
Yeah, Chris massively jumped.
Okay, Chris. We're going to do it one more time. You jump again, you're out.
That was a good start.
Whoa, Max is out in front. Come on, DTM boy.
Wow, that GTS is rapid.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Matt, that GTS is really quick.
Do you know what won there, Max?
Yes, Matt.
What won was less weight and more power.
That was me trying not to jump the start.
I mean, you came past him pretty blooming good. Max was off the line best. Me and you were probably neck and neck, actually, Chris. In the end, this one. Anyway, we're going to do a rolling race now, okay?
Starting back down there, you mean, yeah?
Gonna go down there.
And you see these cones here, the 2 cones?
Those are the half miles.
Keep on going past them. So then what exactly happened? Well, the M4 DTM won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. The slow motion action replay reveals that the CS was second, just ahead of the GTS, with both cars crossing the line in 12.2 seconds. Okay, then what we're going to do now is a rolling race over the half mile. We're going to do it in third gear from 50 miles an hour. I'll set the pace and I'll count it in 3, 2, 1, go. When I say go, you just floor it, keep going to the 2 cones. Now, before we do that, I found a great deal on a BMW through Carwow. If you want to find out what the BMW is and the saving through Carwow, click on the pop-out banner, ping in the top right corner of the screen, or scan the QR code on the screen now. Okay, guys, you ready? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Chris is rolling.
That GTS is quick. I think the GTS is quicker than the DTM. Maybe not now.
Oh, Chris, just at the end. Christ, Chris, that was like, it was odd, that was. Like, you were like ahead, then I was ahead, and then I thought you were going to come back, and then you didn't. Did you lift off or something?
Yes, because I thought that it was only till you're going past that other set of cones, so I lifted.
Ah.
You know, when we were down there and I said, see these cones here, the 2 cones? Those are the 2 cones for the half mile.
I'm sorry, mate, I misunderstood.
Should we go again, Chris?
Yes, we should definitely go again.
Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Tell you what, CS is performing well here.
Come on, let's beat Max.
DTM's pulling.
Gonna beat Max, but not Chris. So this car doesn't really pick up for some reason. Yours, Max, just seems to just have more boost.
Do you know what? Because does yours have water injection?
Yeah, it does have water injection. Then a thing came on the screen that says, sorry, water injection has run out.
Maybe that's got something to do with it.
Chris?
Did you have a water injection?
Yeah, I topped it up.
You're a smart guy. This one needed topping up and it's not topped up, so maybe that's part of the problem. Anyway, it's not going to matter for the next test. It's the brake test. Let's do it. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, that. Oh, God, put this. Oh, my God. Get that on there, quick. Here's the line. Oh wow, I lost again. I'm just a loser. Chris, you were second, and Max, you were the victor.
I'll tell you why I won, Matt, because 2 weeks ago I replaced the front pads in my carbon ceramic brakes, so that's probably the reason.
That was a good idea. How much did it cost?
About £495.
Is that all for carbon pads?
Yeah, just on the front.
Not bad at all. Chris, it was close, but unfortunately we need to move on to the next race now, and it's all about the drag race, and this was the car that won the drag race. I don't suppose you've got any distilled water with you, have you, so that we could top this one up?
I can see if I can take the tank out to tip some into that one.
That would be mighty generous of you. And I'm going to need all the help I can get, because now I'm going to race this F82 DTM against 2 special edition versions of the very latest G82 M4. This G82 CS has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six engine that makes 550 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. It sends power to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,760 kilograms and costs from £117,000. The G82 BMW M4 CSL also has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six engine that makes 550 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. But here it sends power to the rear wheels only via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 1,625 kilograms and when it was on sale cost £129,000. Okay Max, I can see you bought a little bit more firepower this time.
I've sold my car on Carwow and then purchased a M4 CSL, so I have naturally upgraded.
Did you buy that from Carwow as well?
Yeah.
I feel this is not fair, and I feel what's especially unfair is that Sam
Has picked the car with 4-wheel drive.
We're both 2-wheel drive. You have no excuses, Sam, not to win.
4-wheel drive is a very heavy system. You know, I like a little bit of wheel spin off the line, so that might cause that problems. There seems to be an angle on my side of the road, so it looks like I'm going a bit more uphill than you. So we'll just see. I'll try and get this up there, but it's kind of, I'm at a disadvantage, but I'm going to work this car hard to get it there, okay?
What was interesting is how you almost choked on your own bull then.
I just had a packet of crisps and I'm feeling very salt and vinegary actually.
You're definitely salty. I don't know about vinegary, but let's get on with it. Oh no, 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 no. What am I doing? Windows back down. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Modern cars have all sorts of kind of petrol particulate filters, and this is the effect. Go on then, Max. Go on then, Sam. Can't hear you guys anymore, just this. Just this. Okay, let's race. Come on, old versus new rear wheel drive. The extra poke of the CSL has done me in. Not gonna lie, Sam, but it seemed like you jumped the start, but I bet you didn't actually, did you? It just goes off like crazy.
I definitely didn't jump. One more thing, this has got a testicle shelf. It's quite awkward to launch this.
I've got like a 4-point harness, and so it's kind of like near my balls as well, so. No, it's actually a 5-point harness.
You got anything to add to views, Max?
I'm just going to stay quiet because I'm rear-wheel drive. I'm just waiting for the rolling race because he has drivetrain losses. But I was quite unimpressed by the start. It bogged a lot.
Do you want one last go, see if you can get closer? Okay, you go back. Will this engage launch? No chance. I'm going to go for a drivey drive. You might not have to in the new car. Try it. See if you can engage your launches, guys.
Let me see.
How about you, Sam? Can you engage launch? Can you tell us before you bugger off?
Still can't.
So none of us can engage our launches.
If this was Porsche, Matt, it would do it all day long.
Look, water injection message again. Top up water tank with distilled water. It's got a sensor issue. A BMW with a sensor issue. Who'd have thought? Camera overheating. Who'd have thought?
Hey.
Sam, you loser! Well done, Max.
Sam, you've got 4-wheel drive.
You're an absolute numpty.
So, this is taking itself out of 4-wheel drive. So I just launched with traction fully off in 2-wheel drive there. So when you see the replay, it was like I was going off into some white land.
Are you sure you didn't accidentally press the M2 button or something like that on the steering wheel or something and you put it into 2-wheel drive?
100% not. It reactivated traction control on the first run, and when I brought it back down and I parked, it went back into 2, and then I put it back into 4, told Max about it, and then when I launched, it put itself back into 2.
Let's go one last time. Best 2 out of 3.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey, hello. Oh, goodbye.
The CS has gone in the distance.
Well, that was blooming tremendous, chaps. I enjoyed that. Max, we were very close, you and I, but in the end, your added power did the job. What was interesting, though, was how quick Sam just gets ahead of us. But then, he doesn't keep on increasing his lead, does he? The next race is going to be interesting, but for now, Sam, I'm going to give it to you. You are the best at launching.
And I think you'll find I'm going to pull away from you in the roll as well.
No, you won't. We'll sort that in a minute. First, we need to know the times. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the G82 M4 CS won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. The G82 M4 CSL took 11.7 seconds, and the F82 M4 DTM took 12 seconds.
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer. to check that it's not a write-off, stolen, or had its mileage changed. Look at this Volkswagen Golf on Car Vertical. It shows green ticks for MOT and legal status, but the odometer was rolled back by over 16,000 miles in 2024 alone. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code carwow for 20% off, or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
Right, now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, third gear, manual mode, maximum attack. Let's see what happens. I'll call it in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I missed the gear change.
How come that's doing that? What the actual... I don't understand. Sam, you foresaw the outcome.
I told you, I am the best, and that's what happened.
I was not expecting that. Were you expecting that, Max?
Can I just add something, Matt? I missed a gear change, so it didn't help.
Oh, you numpty!
Don't care, you were done.
You know the rules, Sam. We've got to go again. He cocked a gear change. Come on.
Bollocks!
No, if you cock a gear change, you'd want to go again. Listen, I don't want you to be so smug and so right, so we're definitely going again. Come on, Max.
Come on.
Look at this like third party wanting to beat me even though you know your car can't.
You're so wrapped up in being right that I want you to be wrong.
Did I walk away from you both like I said I would?
Yes, but he missed a gear.
Which one?
I missed a gear because the son he had problems with before is now on my side of the track.
I tell you what, Max, when you get beaten exactly the same again, your excuse is going to be pretty bad, and I can tell you now it will not be going in my book.
I'll tell you what we're going to do. We are going to do a forfeit. If, Sam, you lose...
You gotta do one squat with Max on your back. Max, if you lose...
You've got to do 2 squats with Sam on your back.
Max, how are you feeling about doing those squats? You're going to be okay. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
All I'm going to say, Sam, is just start rubbing your legs.
I never stopped, Max.
Start rubbing his what? Come on, Max, get ready, get on boost. 3, 2, 1, go.
Absolute cheat!
Yeah!
I'm so behind.
There you go, it's a slight pull.
Do you want to say your 2 favourite words, Sam?
Formal protest. Max jumped that massively.
Yes, you did.
You can shake your head all you want. You were ahead of both of us.
Before he said go. Don't point.
No, I'm not letting go of this button.
One long, angry line later.
Okay, I mean a little thing, whoever honks their horn first wins.
Max. Okay.
Right, brake test. One last go, here we are. I lost. Okay, who won?
Double a quit, Sam, I win.
So I beat you. Max started braking at the half-mile cones, so I don't know where he stopped really.
Can I just add, Sam, you've got an extra 70 kilos on me, so this is the difference between 70 kilos right here.
So, Max won.
If you can brake whenever you want, yes, Max won.
What we're going to do is do the action replay and let the commenters decide. Can you let us know in the comments who won that brake test, Sam or Max? I couldn't see. It was all a bit of a shambles. I was ahead of everyone. I think they're doing less than 100 miles an hour, to tell you the truth, because I was doing 100 and they were behind me. But anyhow, out of those two, who won? Did Max cheat? Let us know. Right, I promise you this. We're going to go to the forfeit. Let's head down the front there and we're going to do some squats, Sam. Mount up. Wait. Ready? Wait. I'm going to count it in. Ready?
Come on, he's heavy.
Let's move your okay.
All right, Watson.
Go. Down, lower.
Oh, he's failed.
I'll bring you back up.
Right.
Can't do 100 kilos.
Let's switch it around. You got to do 2 with Sam on your back. Come on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Keep pumping. Go on, how many can you do? 2. Go on, keep going. 3.
Good Irish
3. 4. Come on, let's have 4. 4, 5. Can you do 10? No, let's do 10.
I'm not going for 10.
You can easily do 10. There's easily more in there. 6. Come on.
Now I know why
Come on.
CS is
6,
faster, because of the
7.
weight.
Go on. Come on. 8, I'll spot 8. Come on. 9. Bit last one. Come on. Yay! Well done.
Strength.
Listen, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, just click on the carwow logo to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next. I can't even say it. I've swallowed the fly. Bye.